Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the answer for the post test for lesson 2 and 3. There were two questions that I gave to you, and the question is here. First question: as a study of the composition of matter, chemistry helped to understand bond type of molecule, type of atoms or element that make up matter, energy utilization that accompanies chemical changes, the special characteristic of material that distinguish it from other material, molecular shape of molecule. Now, you have to mention what in this question. In this question, you have to mention that it is a composition of matter. The question is about composition of matter. As we know that chemistry is study about the composition, the structure, the properties, the changes, and the energy. So you are going to find out which one is the composition. When you see this one, bond type of a molecules, bond type of molecule is talking about the bond. So when we're talking about the bond, it is talking about the structure of the matter. So this is not the composition, but this is the structure. For number 2, type of atoms or element that make up the matter. Yes, the composition is talking about the type of atom and element that make up a matter, and also the composition, how many atom and how many element that we need for making a matter. So B is the answer. The third one, energy utilization. Energy utilization is not talking about the composition, but it is chemical changes. So it is the changes. And the next one, the spatial characteristics of material that distinguishes from other material characteristic. It is tell you about the properties of the matter. It is not also the composition. And molecular shape of molecule is talking about the structure. So the only answer for the composition is the type of atom or element that make up the matter. So the answer is this one. Okay, for question number 2, look at the question. Consider the following studies. 1. Carbohydrate molecular structure. 2. How enzymes work in the body. 3. The benefit of radioactivity in the medical field. 4. Handling of household and industrial waste. 5. The amount of energy produced by burning gasoline. The things learned in biochemistry and physical chemistry are shown sequentially by numbers. The first one we have to know is biochemistry. Biochemistry is something related with the a macromolecule is related with the biology. So when you look at the choices here, number 1, carbohydrate, yes, it's related with the biochemistry. Number 2, enzyme, it is also related with the biochemistry. So for the biochemistry, we have number 1 and number 2. So we have here 1, 1, 2. So choice 1, second, and the third, it can be the answer. But the second one is physical chemistry. So which one is the physical chemistry? As you see, the number 1 and number 2 is already biochemistry. Number 3, the benefit of radioactivity. This is the keyword, is radioactivity. When we are talking about radioactivity, it is nuclear chemistry, related with the nuclear chemistry. So it is not physical chemistry. Number 4, handling of household and industrial waste. It is waste, the keyword. When it's talking about the waste, so it is talking about the environmental chemistry. So number 4 is environmental chemistry. And the last choice, which is the only choice, is the amount of energy produced by burning gasoline. Yes, this is talking about the energy. As we know that talking about energy can be learned in the thermochemistry, and also is kind of type of physical chemistry. So number 5 is the physical chemistry. So the answer for this is physical chemistry is number 5. So either it is 1, 5 or it is 2, 5. When you look at the choice, we have only 2, 5, which is the third choice. So this is the answer. That's the explanation about the post test for lesson number 2 and number 3. Thank you.